Registering for kindergarten is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, type in the address kregistration.education.gov.lc. Close this box. Click Register for Kindergarten now. This takes you to where you have to sign up. Include a valid email address. This should be an email that you use quite often. Type in the same email address again. Include a username, your first name, last name, your NIC number. Create a password. The password policy is on the bottom. Your password should be a mix of letters and numbers. Type in the same password again. Click sign up. This takes you to verify your email address. Click on your inbox to see whether you have this email. Click on the link provided. Confirm the email address by clicking confirm. Next, you are going to log in again. This time, you type in your email address. Put in your password. Verify it's accurate. Click sign in. Select register new child if it's your first time. On this page, you are going to include the basic information on the child, their name, date of birth. Ensure the year is correct and the date is correct. Select the child's sex, religion. Include whether the child has any medical conditions. If it's not listed, type something in this box there. State next your relationship to the child. In this case, we'll put family friend. Identify where the child lives. Next, the school that the child attends, the preschool that is, submit. If you have another child to register, you click register new child. If not, select here, click here to complete application. We go to the school choices, the next tab. We have 3 boxes. In each box, the choices are almost the same except for the last option. In box 1, you have Anglican. Box 2, you have Camille Henry. Box 3, you have Carmen Rene. We will work with box 2. We will select 3 choices. Your first choice, second choice, third choice. For each choice, you have to place a reason for your selection. For example, close to home, close to workplace. And I love their programs. Click submit. If you have made an error, select the same tab again. Then you select the box of your choice. Let's say box 1. And you select your options again. Remember to place the reason for your choice. And this can be any reason at all. After you have done this, you click submit again. There's a status bar which tells you how far you have progressed. We go to parents and guardian. There you'll place information on the child's mother, father, or guardian. So again, you place the parent's name. You place a mobile number. This is very important if we are to contact you. State whether this person is the child's mother, father, or guardian. Where does this person live? If the child resides with this individual, you place a proof of address. You would identify what type of address is it. Next, if you are employed, you select are employed, the length of time, the name of the place of employment. In this case, let's say you are self-employed, you'd put a little comment here. Include the community where this place is located. If you are selecting a school based on the location of where you work, include a job letter. If not, this is not necessary. Complete the section. If there is still another parent to add, you click Add Parent or Guardian and you go through the similar steps to include this person's information. If the individual lives with the child, then again you would include some proof of address and identify what type of proof is this. If the individual does not work, then you don't click this section and you click complete. Of course, where the asterisks are, they are compulsory. So we forgot to include this section. Now you click complete section. We are almost there. So if you want to delete any of the individuals that you have placed, you just click delete. And if you need to insert the information you place there. We go to the sibling section. In this section, you would include whether there is the child has a brother or sister who's at the school. You'd place their name, age, the school they attend, as well as the grade. Complete section. We go to the final section, which is scan documents. There you would include an upload of the birth certificate, a photo of it, the development assessment, which is found in the health card, the middle section. You'd include the outer section of the health card, which shows the immunization. Next, a passport photo of the child, a headshot. Then you check to see everything is in and complete section. You have completed the application. Click Complete Application. This takes you back to the main page. Unless you have something that you want to verify, you can just log out or you can review your application. We click back. Then you go to your email. In your inbox, you will see another email from schoolzoning@gmail. Congratulations, you have completed the process. Once you have received this email, save it as verification of your completion of the process. Now you may sign out. I do hope this video was helpful. If not, you can reach us at the Corporate Planning Unit for further information at 468-5259 or click on the help desk where you can send us an email directly. Thank you for watching.